it's Jordan from jordanseasyentertaining.com here, and today I am showing you how to make this super cute Ladybug themed birthday cake topper with a Cricut machine. If you'd like to make this cake topper, head over to jordanseasyentertaining.com where you can get the Cricut Design Space project link, the materials list, and more written instructions. While you're over there, check out some of my other DIY Cricut party craft. I love to make cake toppers as well as cupcake toppers and cupcake wrappers and party favors and all kinds of fun DIY party decorations, which is perfect for right now if you are celebrating at home. Also, make sure to check out my Pinterest board full of Cricut tutorials, not only from myself, but from some of my favorite craft bloggers. So you can follow me on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram at Jordan's Easy Entertaining. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!